Welcome to this video of the Facebook Group Domination Masterclass. My name is Leon Chaudhry, and in this video I would like to talk with you about what your community manager should do for you. Now, there are three things that every community manager should do for you. And the first one is definitely scaling. You want to make sure that the community manager is a person that scales the group actively. You want to make sure that the group adds members every single day. Now, how can you make sure that your group is growing every single day? Well, you basically tell the community manager to, for instance, advertise your group in other groups. So you want to make sure that there's always traffic. There's always traffic, always new members coming into the group so that you can interact with them and or the community manager can interact with them. Then, of course, create and post. Let the community manager create content with you together. Present yourselves as a team. You want to make sure that the community manager is someone that people can relate to. Now, for instance, if the community manager is only a person that, let's say, basically is the person that messages people when they join the group, then everyone's like, okay, who's that person? But when they go into the group and on every single photo they see you and the community manager, well, then of course they will trust that person. They know who this person is and they will talk to them and interact with this person. Then of course, message and engage. Let the community manager get in contact with new group members and engage with them in the comment section. So you always want your community manager to message everyone who's coming into the group. You want the community manager to ask them who they are, where they're from, what exactly they are doing. So this is very, very important because, you know, it is just easy on Facebook to join a group, but to have someone who messages all of these people is very effective because then they remember, okay, this is the community manager of this group. Then, of course, how to train a community manager. So what exactly do you have to do in order to have a proper community manager? Well, the first one is you train a community manager by making him or her understand what his or her tasks are. So basically to tell the person, all right, on the left right here, these are your tasks. And then number two is you show the community manager how to fulfill these tasks. You want to make sure that the community manager has a clear guideline. He wants to know what exactly he or she has to do. Then number three, you give the community manager a goal and a time when you want to reach the goal. So basically, for instance, if you say, well, I want to have 10,000 group members and I want to reach that goal in the next 6 months, then of course you try to divide that goal into many small steps, and you want to make sure that every single day, let's say you're adding 100 new people, so then in 10 days you have, let's say, 1,000. Then in 100 days you have, let's say, well, that would actually be 3 months, but then you have around, let's say, 10,000 people inside the group. So this is always something that I'm very passionate about. I always want my group to grow. I always want my community manager to know exactly what he or she needs to do. Then, of course, the fourth one, you spend time with the community manager to build a strong bond between you and him/her. So you really want to make sure that when you have a community manager that you interact with this person. You want to build a strong bond. You want to create projects with this person together. And that's why it is important to have someone who's capable, someone who has an eye for quality, someone who really engages, who is motivated, and who perhaps would also, bring some more information, some more valuable content inside the group. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.